Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Now we have our next exercise on the go, that is exercise 1D of chapter number 1, number system. In this exercise we have the contents: rounding of a number to nearest 10, rounding of a number to nearest 100, rounding of a number to nearest 1000, and estimating the sums. Now first we are going to learn about rounding of a number to the nearest 10. So the first step is, as we have to round off our number to nearest 10, so we will see the ones digit. Okay, now if the ones digit is less than 5, replace it by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. Now if the ones digit is 5 or more, then you have to increase the tens digit by 1 and replace the other ones digit by 0. For example, let's see. In 53, the ones digit is 3, which is less than 5. So our rounded number is 50. That we have kept the ones digit as 0 and the other digits are the same. Now for 287, the ones digit is 7, which is greater than 5. So the rounded off number is 290. We have increased the 10th place by 1 and replaced the ones digit by 0. Now we have rounding off a number to the nearest 100. In this we have to see the tens digit and the rule goes the same. If the tens digit is less than 5, replace the tens and the ones digit by 0 and keep the other digits as it is. If the tens digit is 5 or greater than 5, then increase the 100th number digit by 1 and replace all the other by 0. Like in 648, the tens digit is 4, which is less than 5. So we are replacing tens and ones by 0 and keeping the other digits the same, so the rounded off number is 600. Similarly, in the next one, 13768, the tens digit is 6, which is greater than 5. So we are increasing the 100 digit by 1 and keep putting 0 over the tens and the ones place and keeping all the rest the same. So the rounded off number is 13800. Next is rounding off a number to nearest 1000. In this, the rule is again the similar one. We just have to see the 100th digit. Now let's see in the examples. We have the first example, 5486. Here the 100th digit is 4, which is less than 5. So what we will do, we will replace the 100th, tens and the ones digit by 0 and keeping all the rest the same. So our answer is 5000. Again, in the second example, 6823, our 100th place is 8, which is greater than 5. So we will increase the 1000 digit by 1. We are increasing 6 to 7 and so our answer is 7000. Now we have to see the estimating sums. How we will estimate the sums using this rounding off property. We have a few examples. Let's see. In the first example, we have to estimate the sum 64 plus 79 and we have to do it to the nearest 10. What we are going to do? In 64, the ones digit is 4. So it is rounded off to 60. In 79, the ones digit is 9, so it is rounded off to 80. Then we will sum 60 and 80. Similarly, in the second example also, we are going to sum it to the nearest 10, 267. The ones digit is 7, so it is 270. And in the second part, the ones digit is 2, so we are doing it 130. We will do the sum and get the required answer. In the third example, we have to do it to the nearest 100. So what we have to see? We have to see the tens digit. In 274, the tens digit is 7, which is greater than 5. So we are estimating to 300. And in 143, the tens digit is 4, so which is less than 5, so it is 100. Now we will sum 300 and 100. In the fourth, we have to do it for the nearest 1000, and for that we will see the 100th place or the 100th digit to do the estimation. 21397 is estimated to 21,000. 27807 is estimated to 28000. 42505 is estimated to 43,000. So we can sum these all and get the answer. Similarly, as we can do the sum, we can do the difference also. Like in the fifth example, 258 is to be subtracted from 673. We have to round off them to the nearest 100 first. So we will see the tens digit. So 673 is round off to 700 and 258 is round off to 300. Now we will subtract both of them and get the required answer. Okay students, thank you so much. I hope now you will be able to practice the exercise and will be very friendly with the questions.